Now that we have your room uploaded and your sprite named and sized, we're going to add some code to make the sprite actually move. So coming over to my events blocks, events, when the blank key is pressed, I'm going to change this to right arrow. And I'm going to pull another one out and I'm going to put the same idea, but the left arrow. So you guessed it, we're going to make your character move right and left. So coming to the blue motion keys, move with the right arrow 10 steps. So when I click on the right arrow, she should move to the right 10 steps. I'm going to move to the left arrow. I'm going to make this, mathematically thinking, -10 because that will move her to the left on the number line. So if you didn't think about that idea, it is negative so that she moves the opposite way. Think of this like a number line. She's moving down toward the negative numbers, up towards the positive numbers, left and right. And then the next thing for this video, we're going to add, according to what we did today, the costume change. So I have to go back to Pixton. I'm going to go back to my character. The only thing I want to change about her is her outfit. So don't change anything else, just change what she's wearing. So I think I'm going to go from her being kind of casual to her in a fun outfit. So going forward, and then again, download her. Okay, coming back to my scratch. I'm going to come over here, not to sprite, not over here. I'm going to come up to these tabs, okay? And I'm going to come right to costumes, okay? I'm going to rename this one that's already there. Come into the box. I'm going to name this one Costume 1, okay? You'll see it changes here in the box. I'm going to come down to the cat at the bottom of this tab, go Upload Costume. I'm going to choose my next avatar. There she is. I'm going to name her Costume 2. Okay, enter. So now I have Costume 1 and Costume 2. Okay, Costume 1, Costume 2. Coming back to my code. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and code that when I have an event, such as I'm going to draw 2 more of those out. When I have the up arrow pressed and the opposite action, the down arrow pressed. So when the up arrow is pressed, purple looks. She's going to switch to Costume 2. And when the down arrow is pressed, she's going to switch back into Costume 1. Okay. I also want to add a third one of these, same idea, switch costume with the start button to Costume 1. So putting it here means that every time I hit that flag, she's going to revert back to the original Costume 1. She's going to revert back to her original location. So even if I move her all the way to the left side of my screen and she's in Costume 2, when I hit that flag, she goes back to everything that I wanted her to start with. Okay. And I can test up, down, she changes outfits. And that's all you should have for this video.